All right, y'all. So today we are making my version of Santa Fe skillet. Yeah. So of course, what you want to do is go ahead and just chop those potatoes up. Don't gotta be nice. I'm no professional chef here, so don't come for me with the knife skills. Yeah. So just go ahead and cube those up. I made mine a little bigger. If you want it small, you can make it small. To each their own. And second, we're just gonna go ahead and go with the bell peppers. Now, I forgot to take that little ugliest sticker off. So make sure you take that sticker off because I'm sure your guests don't want to eat plastic or stickers. But I mean, if you do have guests that do, hey, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of cut the vegetables, the bell peppers, kind of the same size as the potatoes. That way, when they cook, it's not like one gets cooked faster or slower than the other, and everything's kind of cohesive. And yeah, just go ahead and set that aside. And of course, go ahead and take our sweet red peppers. I just cut the ends off. And yeah, get the chopping. I like these because they add a lot of flavor. It adds like a pepper flavor, but they're sweet peppers too. So it's like, it gives it kind of some heat, but not really. So it's like sweet and it's like, sweet and hot at the same time. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. But then I just cut those in half, and then I just kind of like slice them, I guess. I don't really know the correct terminology. Like I said, again, I'm not a professional chef. I just know how to throw it down in the motherfucking kitchen. Okay, put that in a little bowl. Okay, he going real quick. All right, now the onion. Now, for some of you guys hate cutting onions. Get over it. Onions are bomb in your food. So what I did was I just go ahead and slice them down, I guess, vertically, and then dice them horizontally, if that makes sense. And just set those aside. Yes. And now these are the scallions. So I took this scallion or green onion, whatever you call it. Some people call it scallions. And I cut down the middle because a lot of that flavor on the white part, it gets left out. So when you put in your food, it kind of is like a fragrance when the heat hits it. That's just a thing for me. I don't know. So then I'm just going to go ahead and just rough chop the cilantro. Nothing too fine, but I kind of like mine big. And like I said, you guys can make this however you want it. If you want smaller pieces, bigger pieces, whatever. All right. So next, I put like a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Gonna go ahead and put our onions in there. Yeah. All right, so break them up a little bit just because I don't know about you. I don't want little chunks and stuff in my food. So break them up, saute it for a little bit here. Just gotta get it coated, sweat them out a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the potatoes, get those in there because the potatoes usually take a little longer to make. But I like to saute my onions a little bit before because I want the oil to get that flavor. And just, throw it around a little bit. And now you can see I didn't add the seasoning yet just because I want to add the seasoning at the end. And once that's, put some garlic in there. Yeah. Now, I use the squeezed garlic. It all tastes the same. You can use fresh garlic. You can use shallots too. But whatever's easiest, it all tastes the same to me, to be honest. Mix that around. Yes. Ooh, it's looking good already. Okay, yeah, scrape the bottom. Make sure you get all those little limbits. Add the peppers, sweet peppers, bell peppers. Mix that around. As you can see, I switched spoons just because I wanted to scrape it more and get all that flavor. All the flavor was sticking on the bottom. So yeah. Mix that around, do a little dance, do a little twerk, get down tonight. Hey. Okay, add some cumin. I got off track real quick. Add some, so that's that ya sauce. So that's some Creole seasoning my mom made. I can't tell the recipe because I would die. So yeah, if you just want to use your own Creole seasoning, Old Bay is good. But like I said, we make our own because we bougie like that. Mix that around. The pan's getting a little burnt, not burnt, but I guess all the flavor is sticking. Don't be afraid of that. It's not the end of the world, guys. It's just food and stuff sticks. Yeah. So let's move on to the egg. I went ahead and set that other stuff aside, but just put that egg over some medium heat and some oil. And then what I like to do is just cover it because it doesn't cook the egg fully. Now we're plating. Plating is key. Add the egg on top. Now I'm just cutting a lime because I like lime on mine. Adding some cilantro for that freshness. But first I'm going to go ahead and put on my toppings. Now I use mustard and not Tabasco, sorry. I use Louisiana sauce. You don't have to use it. You can even add sour cream on there. You can use Tabasco. You can use Tapatio. You can put avocados on this too as well. But this is what I wanted to put on mine. So I put some of the green onions, scallions on there. And then as well as the cilantro. And that's it. You have your Santa Fe skillet, Drew style. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thanks, guys.